Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 6, Lesson 5. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to compare any given integers. All right, we can use a number line when compare the values of integers. Integers to the right. So if they go to the right, oops, you can see the other stuff, of the number line are greater than the numbers to the left. Okay, this is where it gets kind of tricky because a lot of times people are like, but -5 is bigger than -1 because we've been taught that 5 is bigger than 1, but not when you think about owing money. I would rather owe $1 than I would than owe $5. See what I'm saying? It's more important to look at where it is on the number line. Okay? If you have a positive number and a negative number, positive is always higher. If you have two positive numbers, then you compare them like you always have. If you have two negative numbers, the one that you owe the less as, that's the one that's bigger. All right, let's practice this. All right, so I have 3 and 12. Well, remember what I said the rule was? And actually, why don't we put the rule down? Positive numbers are always bigger than negative numbers. Okay, that's a good rule to remember right there. Okay, so this one, we know that 3 is bigger because it's a positive number. Okay, looking at 5 and -9, well, there's that again. There's that rule. 5 is a positive number. All right, so looking at -17 and -32, which one's bigger? Well, -32 is, it's owing a lot more money than -17. So think about it. Which one will you have more of if you pay a bill? If I have to pay a bill with $32, I have less money than if I spent $17. So this one is less than. -32 is less than. Okay, -7 and -13. Which one do I owe less than? If you said that this should be greater than, you are correct. -2 and 0, that is always, -2 is less than because it's on the left side of the 0. Okay, -53 and -18. Let's listen. Okay, go ahead and pause this video and try these 6 problems yourself and then come back and see if you got them correct. Okay, for this one, you should have said -25 is less than -16. Here they're trying to trick you, and they want to see if you say they're equal to. They're not equal to, remember? One, I have $22. One, I owe $22. So this is greater than -10 and -24. Well, -10 is greater because I owe less. 12 and 3. This is an easy one because that follows that rule, remember? 12 is all positive numbers, so it is definitely greater than the other one. -5 and -50 is greater than because I owe less money, right? Okay, 21 and -75. So we say 21 is greater than -75. Good job. All right, so here they gave us some statements and they want to know which is true. When they mean statements, when they mean groups, actually, they mean everything in this line, right? So is 2 greater than -2? Yep, that's correct. They want to see what's not. Negative 12 is less than 8. That's true. 9 is less than negative 19. Hey, wait, that's not right. So I'm going to circle that one. But I'm going to check to make sure the last one doesn't fit too. 12 is greater than negative 5. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, let's try this next one. Negative 25 is less than negative 27. I'd rather have 25 than 27. 25 is less than 27. Negative 25 is greater than negative 27. Yep. Negative 44 is less than 4. Great job. All right, go ahead and pause this video and then come back and see if you got this correct. Okay, so looking at this group, which one was wrong? Negative 18 is less than 8. That's correct. Negative 9 is greater than 2. Not quite. 17 is greater than negative 20. 9 is greater than negative 99. Yes, definitely. All right, so that is the end of the lesson for Unit 6, Lesson 5. Go ahead and head back to Classic Craft, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next video.